Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. So today I want to share with you the joy that I found in my P.O. box this afternoon. And when I say joy, I mean wonderful words of encouragement, gifts for my projects, and supplies. This lovely envelope comes from my dear friend Renee B., and I'm going to read her letter off camera. Renee is so creative and always makes me these lovely, colorful postcards with whimsical images and really kind and encouraging words. Now, this one has a map on it that's sort of like a metaphor for my miniature journey, but then she says that life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful, which is definitely one of my quotes here on the channel. It's truly heartwarming and amazing to realize that some of you dolls remember the things that I say. Renee, I just want you to know that I thoroughly appreciate your kind words, your thoughtfulness, your support, and you being here to witness my journey. Thank you. So I have another card here, and it's from my dear friend Sienna Flower. I'm sure many of you have seen her channel. If you haven't, go on over and check it out. She has a delightful, whimsical channel with a whole doll village. She had reached out to me to let me know that she had sent me a card, but I hadn't been to my post office box in a while because I injured my foot and I've been depending on my family to get me back and forth. Although I'm not going to read the letter out loud, as I read the letter, it explained what was inside the card, and I thought maybe I was misunderstanding what she was saying. So I carefully opened the package. As the realization of what the card and letter said and what I was seeing in front of me began to connect, I was speechless. I didn't even know what to think. It's actually a diamond house, a diamond. She calls it an investment diamond. I had never heard of investment diamonds. I didn't know something like that even existed, but she sent it to me, dolls, an actual diamond. I put it in this teeny weeny little bag so I won't lose track of it, but I'm truly humbled by her kindness and thoughtfulness that she would send me something this precious. I really am overwhelmed by the kindness and generosity of this community. She suggested that I use it for something in the dollhouse, but I'm actually going to use it and put it in something that I'll be able to wear to remember this beautiful season of my life here on YouTube. Thank you, Sienna Flower. You have no idea what this means to me. So let me put this away safely until I can get it to the jeweler. So this next package comes from my precious doll, Sharon H. Sharon sent me a lovely letter, and it was so kind and encouraging. And along with the lovely letter, she sent this beautiful vintage fabric. I really love this rich blue and this lovely print and this houndstooth check. I really, really love vintage prints like this, and I have a new doll character that I'm working on. In addition to the fabric, she sent me some lace and trims, which is always useful. And she also included some lovely gold beads. Now, in addition to the fabric, the lace, the trims, and the beads, she sent me a lovely letter. And Sharon, I'm truly encouraged by your kind, warm words and letting me know that my channel inspires you. Thank you. Now, this next package really made me smile because it came from my friend Lana at Panache Luxury. Now, if you haven't seen her channel, you definitely should check it out because she has a wonderful community of beautiful, glamorous Barbies. It seems as though she and I have fallen into a rhythm where when she acquires things that are too small for her Barbies, she sends them to me, and when I get things that are too big for my 12 scale scenes, I send it to her. It's tiny assorted plates of food and also like a little genie lamp. Isn't that cute? It's gold. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, that's definitely a china cabinet item. And here's a cake plate just in time for my food series. And dolls, look at these adorable little plates. I cannot wait to take a moment to enhance them and add other little foods to them. Oh my goodness. This is a whole project or video within itself. Lana, I absolutely love these. Thank you. Now, dolls, this next package comes from my friend Carol K. of Carol's Minis. Now, although Carol is not trading anymore, she's been very kind and generous, sharing some of her previous creations and supplies with me. I was thoroughly tickled and amused when I unrolled this wallpaper because it's a really, really Nice heavy wallpaper. Absolutely love this stripe. Oh, I cannot wait to use it on one of my other projects. And not only did she send me the stripe, but this lovely check. Now this could be used either as wallpaper or as flooring. And I actually used a portion of the border to help decorate my fruit crates. And I will leave a link in the description for when I did that. And she included these curtain rods, which is right on time as well. But dolls, when I say this box was full, I mean it's absolutely full. And each thing is wrapped with so much care. Now, when I was finally able to remove all the bubble wrap, I realized this was a lovely vanity with a sink. Now, it's really cute and very well made. It doesn't open, but it's an adorable piece, and I definitely can see some wonderful ways that I could customize it to make it even more fun. Thank you so much, Carol. Now, this next piece is a little chair. It's an unfinished chair. Now, it could either be used in a children's room or in a 1/24th scale modern house. So it's constructed really nice. It just needs some upholstery. Or I guess it could be stained just the way it is. Now, this piece, I've already unwrapped it. It's a lovely dresser, and it's really, really well made. And it would be really easy to make a nice mirror to go with it. All the drawers open. So this is adorable, Carol. Thank you. Now this is really nice. It's an unfinished, I would say, mirror frame. Things like this are like having a blank canvas. The possibilities are endless. Let me set that aside. So now there's this lovely fireplace. I thought this was really nice. I could see it with some bricks in the back and some wood with a little aging. Yes, Carol, this is an awesome piece. Now, these next items are so adorable. They're Christmas lights and they look so cute and whimsical, but they're adorable and they just need batteries. They're LED. That one was poinsettias, and these are like Santa Clauses, and the other one is like some little candy canes. Those are cute. Now, dolls, this stack of newspapers just blew me away. I never thought to do that. Growing up, we always had big stacks of newspaper on the back porch. I absolutely love this item. Look, dolls, a tiny Minnie Mouse suitcase. In addition to those lovely Christmas lights, she's got little reindeers with sweaters on them. Now, this is really cute. And then this cute little snowman with a hat and a scarf. And I got so tickled about this. It's like a series of pillows. They just need to be cut apart and separated. That is a really bright idea. So I can add fabric to them and make them throw pillows. Now, this is really awesome. It's a bulletin board, and it's made from a piece of cork and some coffee stir stick. I think that's genius. And here's more Christmas decorations, the little Santa Claus. Now this is a cute little framed clock. I think that's cute. But then there's the adorable red truck with a Christmas tree in the back. Now this is a wonderful bundle of electric lights. Now they need to be fixed and have the wires added to them, but they're such beautiful styles. This one is just precious. It actually has the word baby on it. Isn't that cute? It's made with little blocks. Let me bring the other ones up a little closer so you can see them. And this one looks like an oil lamp, and the other one is the one you put the shade on. So these are really, really pretty. I'm going to have to figure out how to use these. So this was wrapped up pretty good. So let's see what's inside this one. Oh, it's a really nice pedestal table. Nice sturdy table. Oh, I think I know what I'm going to do with that already. I've got a really lovely item that was gifted to me that needs a dedicated pedestal table. So this is perfect. I got so excited when I saw this piece. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a curio cabinet, and it's got a cord in the back because at one point they had a light inside. Isn't that genius? It's got a little bit of mini hold on the inside, but that's not a problem. This will be lovely at Aunt Bess and Aunt Janie's house. I've got enough items to do another enhancement video. And look at this, dolls. It looks like it's just in time for the next wedding. Isn't that adorable? But the crazy part is it's made of paper. But dolls, this item just took the cake. It's a mini room box. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's too much. Look at that tiny furniture. And there's a lovely terracotta pot. And I found a couple of clock pieces. And when I saw this wooden rocking horse, I was just too tickled. And I found the other piece to that clock, so I'll put that together with a little glue. I got so tickled when I saw this. It's a cabinet, part of a cabinet for a kitchen. At one point, Carol expressed a concern of not wanting me to think that she was sending me junk. I told her I absolutely love working with scraps and remnants. It gives me an opportunity to re-envision it and give it a new life. I'm so excited because all of these items are like projects waiting to happen. Now inside this box was some lovely frames, and there is also a mirror, which you can never have too many of with all the ladies in the house. And she included 2 really nice metal frames. Girl, these items are so precious. Now, when I saw the writing on this package, I wondered what it could be. It just says, "For you, doll." And when I opened it up, it was not what I expected. It's a precious little baby. Carol, I can't tell you how precious this is, and right on time, because there's another couple in the rooming house that I wanted a baby for, and this is absolutely perfect. I needed another baby. I was thinking about it, but now that wish has been fulfilled. Now, in addition to the precious baby, she gave me a whole bundle of toys. Now, some of these toys are way more modern than the setting of my dollhouse, but I'm not a purist when it comes to certain things in my dollhouse collection. I just can't get over how tiny and cute these are. So she also sent Dora the Explorer. And then this next one is a Barbie. And then this one is a little Disney girl. And then another little Disney character. And then there's a little Care Bear. Carol, these are just too adorable and just in time for Christmas. Now, I was just too tickled with this because these are 2 plant kits. Now, I've seen these before and I've seen people do them, but I've never had one before. So here's my challenge, 2 plant kits. And here's a couple more Christmas decorations. And then I opened another box and there's a beautiful rhinestone mirror inside. And then there's another packet that's got a mannequin head and items that I could use in the dress shop. So this is definitely another project item. And then there's this cute little chair that I think will be perfect for the children. So this box has plenty of little bits. I've got a little Christmas tree and a tray. I just got so tickled when I saw the 2 sets of tweezers. Those are right on time. Now this item is very timely. It's a double sink. I'll be working on these 2 kitchens soon, so they'll definitely come in handy. And here's another tiny Christmas tree. Now this is a really cute Christmas ornament that can easily be used as a miniature. You can find miniatures everywhere, dolls. And here's a lovely little wreath that's definitely going to be a part of my enhancement collection. And dolls, when I pulled this out, I got so totally excited. It's a table. It's a kitchen table. It's a nice and sturdy and in good condition. I just need to clean it up a little bit. So it's on the enhancement list as well. So I've got another wrap piece, so let's see what's inside. Oh wow, Carol, that's one of those big radios, the big stand-up kind you put in the parlor. Goodness, this is just too much. I'm just too through. I'm too through. I've seen them so many times in other dollhouses and I always wanted one. And now Carol just laid it right in my lap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Carol, this is absolutely beautiful, and you just have no idea how much it means to me because I always wanted one of these, and this is prettier than any of the ones I've ever had in my baskets. So, dolls, I'm going to let you go so I can go ahead and get my cry out, and I'm looking forward to seeing each and every one of you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.